So there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes that our customers don't see, that we try to ensure that they get on board an aircraft and they're feeling like it's very clean, it's very hygienic, ready to go, especially on a long journey. How was your flight in anyway?
It was good. We've left it in a pretty good state for you, so
good.
It should be in good order.
This aircraft has just come in from the 17-hour flight from JFK. We've got blankets everywhere, we've got pillows. So what the team are going to be doing are taking every blanket off and strip every single pillowcase and then re-put them back on to redress the aircraft, as we call it. Some of the hardest places to clean are obviously our seats and under our seats, quite confined spaces. You know, a staff member's got to actually go in between the seats, bend down, pick up any additional rubbish and then go through every single seat pocket as well. High touch points are cleaned and wiped and sterilised every single flight. Tray tables are always wiped without fail. Our monitors are always wiped without fail. Our windows, armrests, seat belts, approximately 10 to 15,000 seats per day. So the team put a lot of effort, put their own blood, sweat and tears into this to ensure that they're providing an excellent service. We don't call ourselves cleaners either. We call ourselves the interior presentation team because we're setting it up for success. So this aircraft alone, it will take our team 35 minutes to turn this aircraft around, from coming in dirty to being ready to go for our customers and our cabin crew.